Welcome to Merricks Garage. Diving deep into my video vault this week to find the first time I started up the LQ9 in truckasaurus. What a great day. Lots of noise, lots of rejoicing, and high fives all around. So check it out. If you like what you see, subscribe.
Okay, it's time. It's been quite a build, but I think the beast is ready to come back to life. Hopefully, it doesn't burn. That reminds me, I should go get a fire extinguisher just in case. Come on, baby.
Motors and the computer needs a little bit of time to adjust.